Hello, War Robots players. Are you tired of spending many hours trying to gather enough gold in War Robots? Well, welcome to my video where I will show you how I got an insane amount of gold for free with this awesome War Robots hack. This guide is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. As you can see, I've already tried it, and it works perfectly. My resources were delivered to my account. Curious about how it works? Don't miss this video, where I'll demonstrate the entire process in a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, we need to find our in-game user ID. We'll need this information for the next steps. Then, open your preferred web browser and navigate to this page. As you can see, there are many hacks for mobile apps and games on this website that offer amazing features. However, let's keep our attention on the topic of this guide. Search for War Robots and just click on it. You can use the search bar located at the top of the page to find it quickly. On this page, select your platform and enter your username. Then click the Connect button and wait for a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this mod is completely safe and undetectable, so your account will remain secure. Next, choose the amount of gold you want and click a button that says Generate. Once you confirm your selection, the website will start injecting the mod. This process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you will see a message at the end letting you know that the injection is complete. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device, and you are ready to go. However, you may need to complete one final step before finishing. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, but usually you just need to verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this hack. No need to worry. The final step is simple and fast. Plus, there'll be a video tutorial to guide you through it. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll speed up the video here and come back to you when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. It took me a few minutes, which I don't think is very long and totally worth it. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, the entire process will be completed, and you will receive resources. Now all you need to do is launch the game and enjoy the gameplay. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If so, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. Have fun and see you in the next video.